So it's about 8:27, and around 7:40 I heard pecking against my window. Didn't know what it was, of course, and around about 10 minutes it kept going, and I got irritated. I got up and looked, and I saw this little guy. He's on the oh, he's flying up the tree, but, oh, there he is. Do you have him? Yeah. This little guy's been pecking on the window for at least 40 minutes, or about 50. And pecks, but the reason is, on the other side of this window, like, there's like a mirror type transparency.
It's a one-way.
It's a one-way mirror, and I think it can see itself, and it wants to peck itself or peck another bird, but I'm not sure. And or maybe it could see in and just wants to in, but I don't know. But this is my alarm clock for today, and that's all I wanted to say. See ya.